My name is Catherine. Several months ago, I injured myself on a hike and it failed to heal. I tried physical therapy, taking pain relievers, everything, and nothing helped. I couldn't walk normally, I couldn't sleep without pain, I couldn't sit without pain, and I literally couldn't exercise anymore. A friend who had seen Dr. Tait recommended that I come, as she had a similar type of injury he had treated. So I came and I got the PRP shot and followed the instructions and took the supplements, and today I'm almost pain-free. It's been a dramatic change and I'm so happy I did it.